So 1010 is a cultural art festival where we bring all the artists, artisans, food vendors, product vendors, farmers, everything on the same platform, and we give them an opportunity to present their art and talent out there. And also we bring all the people around the place to come and enjoy this at one place, because after the pandemic there was no social gathering, there was nothing, and this all art and artists was going through a very bad time.
My favorite thing about it is it's super organized and everyone is super willing and open and warm and ready to work with each other. You know, there's no sense of competition with the vendors. All of the performers are just there for the fun and for the love, and sometimes they get together and play. It's super organic, even though it's well organized. You never really know what's going to happen.
Loka for me is an expression of that. It's like a space for the dreamers and doers to get together, a space where creative individuals from any walk of life can walk in and feel at home, to work on projects, to find ways to bring out their artistic expression, and Loka provides a safe space for them to do that. At one point, a larger group of people had come together and all of them had this inherent passion and desire to do something. You know, we sat down one day and everyone was like, yaar, kuch karte hain. So, and then one fine day when we were sitting and brainstorming, 1010 just emerged out of it. We have also had people who have had stalls here and they were home entrepreneurs, but now they are going on to start a business on WhatsApp so that people can connect with them, and slowly at a future point they might have their own store. So for us that's a big success for 1010 because it really gives a boost to the economy at a very, very grassroots level.
1010 should become an important date in the calendar of Pondicherry so that people come to Pondicherry to be part of this event, and also to invite more international, make it into a global movement, so that then the reach is greater, and I think there is a huge need for this.
I was at the first 1010 fair where we got a lot of traffic from really young people to really old people, and they enjoyed and they got to experience the gymnastic rings.
With the love, it really inspires people to get involved. They know at the end of it it's going to be something phenomenal. So they really just want to be part, and yeah, I don't think another team would have been able to achieve such things.
I performed at the last play as well, which was an amazing experience, and just the love of people and how they appreciated. Then I was so fortunate to collaborate with other musicians with my music, and it just happened with the flow, you know.
In these times where people have been so isolated, the need for these community activities is greater than it has ever been before, in my opinion. And so I was so glad that this fair was possible here in Orville in these times of crisis, because it was the best opportunity to bring the community together and to have an event where so many different people from different backgrounds work together for a common cause.
We're inviting people to become patrons of 1010 because we have to make this sustainable for everyone involved. And we want to connect with the right individuals out there who believe in our vision. By putting forth something into 1010, they're actually giving us their trust and their faith to do more. And the more we do, the more good we can create out of this platform.
This event was not dreamed up by one or two people. It was a community of people who came together and wanted to do something, and we just somehow managed to manifest it. And we are just a 3-month-old baby. We started our first event in October, did one more in November, and this is our third event. So this is the season finale of 2020. You guys have been an amazing support system. Guys, we couldn't have asked for a better team. Thank you, each of you, all of you, for your blood, sweat, effort, for making this